Welcome to EKTV. Today, shallow magnitude earthquake was occurred in Iraq. The quake hits Iraq today, 20 February 2022, 3 p.m. local time. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.5, and German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.